So this will be a clear illustration on how to fix a zip on your flap. So here you bring your flap and you fold into two, just this way, and then place a zip on it. Now this will be your left flap. Stitch all along this way, making sure that the up area, this is how it should be. Then cut off the excesses. Then you bring your trouser panel, the right part, then you measure 7 inches for your zip notching. So right there, you notch that point for your zip notching. Then place it down this way on the right panel, and then you stitch as well. Stitch all along that line. Stitch all along that line. You must stop at the 7 inches. You must stop at the 7 inches mark. Cut your threads, cut your threads. Cut your threads as well. And then comes over this way. And then you are going to top stitch. The top stitching helps the panel to relax. Stitch all along this line. Top stitch all along this line. See the point of 7 inches. Then cut your threads. Cut your threads. Cut your threads as well. So here the left panel of the trouser. Now this one has already been sewn with a flap and has been top stitched as well. Just this way. Then you place it all along this line, making sure that the crotch area is corresponding. Hold the crotch point. You start from the crotch region. You start sewing. Start from the crotch region. Make sure it's equal from there. So gently do this, don't be in a haste. Start from the crotch point. And then stitch. So up to the point where you have your notching point. That notch point. Once you get to that notch point, there'll be thread in there. Cut your threads. Cut your threads. Double thread. This double threading you are doing here is to help reinforce the trouser zip and the trouser crotch area to be strong. Cut your threads. Cut your threads. And then, so here you make sure this is lapping properly, just like this, and then you stitch the other part of the zip. Stitch all this to the very end. Cut your threads, cut your threads, cut your threads. And then this is what you have. Then you hold it this way and you unzip the trouser. Then you're going to stitch that curvy stitch from here. The measurement is usually 1.5, maximum 1.3. Open up the flap. Make sure it's relaxed and balanced. Bend the zip underneath, the flap underneath. And then start from here. And stitch. Stitch. Once you get to this point, then you curve You curve, making sure that the zip is not under. Curve to this very point, double thread, and you're good to go. Then cut off your threads. Cut off your threads. So this is what you have. You have fixed the zip in a very nice and simple way. So I do hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So the last thing you need to do here now is to hold the two flaps together. Just open it up, just stitch like 1 inch or so, so that the flaps can be together. Cut the threads as shown, and you are good to go. So that's the end of the video. I'll you guys. Bye bye for now.